Enjoy the view of this 2019 Ford Super Duty. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a tough, fully capable Ford Super Duty that's ready to help you get even the biggest jobs done safely and with ease. This full-size, heavy-duty pickup leverages military-grade aluminum alloy, high-strength steel, and rugged components to bring you extraordinary performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, remote engine start, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, intermittent wipers, leather seats, trip computer, power windows. See how comfortable, capable can feel when you get into this can-do Super Duty. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.